Welcome back, everyone. It's almost 8:30 tonight, and it's truly been an eventful day. It's been non-stop. Um, been getting a dismal ready for hay season. It's just right around the corner. Dad's already been mowing hay, but we're just trying to get that stuff ready. I'm not quite ready for that just yet. I don't have time. But anyways, we've been worried about our garden. We had a frost last night. It's a late frost. I mean, a light frost. And we had a few tomato plants up by the house that got bit, but nothing out here in the garden seems to be hurt. But today we have been working on it because tonight, now let me tell you this, it is May 9th. May 9th. It should be warm, sunny, and no chance of frost at all. However, there's a chance of frost, and not only frost tonight, it's a freeze warning. It's supposed to get down to around 32 degrees, and possibly in some of the areas even colder than that. But so we have took most of the evening today trying to get our stuff wrapped up. Now we have several different types of cover going on here. Up here, we've got just these old flower pot or plastic pots like shrubs and stuff come in. Now this is nothing but cabbage and broccoli and cauliflower, stuff like that, which frost will not hurt. However, these are all pepper plants and tomato plants that are covered up in these pots. And this is basically just to keep the frost off of them. I'm a little worried that since it's supposed to get so cold that it's not going to do, it's not going to do the job, but we're going to find out in the morning. Anyways, we've got all this stuff wrapped up like this. It took several pots to do it, but we got it, and we even got a cardboard box out there. But you can look right here. See there? There's my little tomatoes. But then in these rows are stuff that's not quite up. It's just starting to sprout. So we've covered it up with a good layer of pine needles, and just in the spots where it's sprouting, because we was running low on time, we're focused on trying to get this area over here done. But this is just like some corn that's just starting to sprout, some beans that are just starting to sprout, and some cucumbers that are just starting to sprout. Some of them ain't even up yet, but we've just got everywhere there's something sprouting. We've got a good layer of pine straw over top of it, some extra bales I had left over from jobs many years ago. They're all old bales, so I didn't lose anything doing it that way. Now here we've actually got corn and beans, peas, and some okra that is already up and looking pretty good. So we've actually got a layer of pine needles over those. See if we can catch it there. You can see there we've got a layer of pine needles over everything, and then sticks jobbed in the ground, and then the cloth over top of it. There's about 8 rows here that's covered up, and I'm a little worried that once the dew gets on this, it'll make it sag down enough to touch the plants. That's something I'm not really that sure about until morning time, but I've about done the best I can do with the time I've got to do it. So we'll just see. If it dies, it dies. I hope it don't, because we've put a lot of work into this today. So we got our fingers crossed that this is going to work. But time will tell. Like I said, it's about 8:30 at night, and it's supposed to get down to 32 degrees tonight, and this is just crazy that it's May 9th and it's going to get 32 degrees. However, there's nothing we can do about it. The garden's already planted. Sometimes I wonder if it wouldn't have been easier just to let it die and replant it, because this has been a lot of work today getting this covered up. But I wanted to show you what we were doing for the frost. I know there's several parts of the country that are experiencing the late cold snap just like we are. We're here in North Carolina, and like I say, this is not normal. I know it's happened in the past. I've heard a lot of old timers around here, they've talked about it, said it has happened in the past, but it's not something that normally happens. So tell me what you guys done for frost. What precautions have you took to keep your garden safe? Just let us know down in the comments. And I just wanted to kind of share this with everybody, how we're doing it. Hopefully, good Lord willing, this is the last frost. We do have one more chance, I think Monday night, it's supposed to get down to 35. So that's still that's still a good chance of frost. But tonight's got me really worried because it's a freeze warning. So fingers crossed that we're gonna be all right. And if we lose it, we lose it. Surely with this much cover over everything, if we lose some, it won't be all. But anyways, we will do an update in the morning just to let you know if this stuff worked and how it held up. But anyways, just wanted to kind of share this with everybody and show everybody what we were doing for our frost protection, and got our fingers crossed it's going to work. But anyways, don't forget to like the video, and we will catch y'all on the next one.